Okay, so full disclosure, anyone else out there ever, get a little carried away with the whole DIY Halloween thing?
You mean like when your Pinterest board aspirations meet, let's call it reality, yeah.
Exactly. And let's be honest, sometimes reality is a tad more abstract masterpiece than Pinterest worthy. But hey, that's what we're diving into today, those gloriously messy DIY Halloween fails.
Oh, I am so here for this.
Because come on, there's something just deliciously entertaining about a jack-o'-lantern that looks like it lost a fight with a lawnmower or a costume. Well, let's just say open to interpretation.
You know what gets me though? It's that we keep coming back for more every year. It's like this primal human need to create, even if the end result belongs more on the fridge than, an actual art gallery.
That's so true. Like, take pumpkin carving, right? The amount of times I've attempted some intricate design, all flames and fangs, only for it to end up resembling something a squirrel would use for a winter hideout.
Oh, pumpkin carving fails are practically a genre unto themselves. Every year, social media becomes this glorious train wreck of two ambitious carvings gone horribly wrong.
It's like we collectively forget pumpkins have the structural integrity of, like, a wet napkin.
But every year, we grab those little serrated knives with this blind optimism, convinced this will be the year we sculpt the Sistine Chapel of Gourds.
And don't even get me started on costumes. The year I tried to go as a bag of jelly beans. Giant balloons felt glued on. Let's just say I learned the hard way about the laws of physics, gravity, and sticky surfaces.
Oh, but those misinterpretations are what make costume fails legendary. It's rarely the elaborate ones either. Nope, it's the simple things. A drooping cape. A feather that just will not stay put.
Suddenly, you're not the majestic phoenix rising from the ashes. You're more like, did someone order the discount chicken?
Exactly. And the decorations, those cobwebs that look more like they were salvaged from an abandoned attic.
Or the spooky lighting effects that end up plunging your entire house into darkness every year, like clockwork.
But that's the beauty of it all, isn't it? It's a reminder that we're all just human, flawed, funny, and occasionally covered in glitter and hot glue burns. There's a certain charm to those DIY disasters, wouldn't you say?
Oh, absolutely. And you know what else? Those YouTube tutorial fails. Following each step religiously, only for your finished product to resemble the original about as much as a potato resembles a diamond.
But those are strangely comforting, don't you think? Proof we're not alone in our creative struggles.
Totally. So, even though we know the risks, the glue gun burns, the pumpkin pulp under the fingernails, why do we keep doing it? What is it about DIY Halloween that makes us embrace the potential for utter hilarious chaos? What do you think it is?